how to choose the right place for Eskate Novice. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide beginners on how to choose the perfect place to practice riding an electric skateboard. First, let's talk about why choosing the right place is so important. For beginners, a suitable practice area not only enhances your learning curve, but also significantly reduces the risk of accidents. The environment you choose can either make your practice sessions enjoyable and productive or challenging and unsafe. The first thing to consider is safety. Make sure the area is free from traffic and other potential hazards, and always wear the appropriate safety gear. Let's look at different types of places and their pros and cons. Skate park. Parks are often spacious with minimal traffic, making them ideal for long practice sessions. The open space allows you to practice turns and maneuvers without the worrying of bumping into obstacles. Empty parking lots. These are great for beginners because they are usually flat and have clearly marked lines. This makes it easier to practice basic techniques like starting, stopping, and balancing. Residential streets. These can be a good option if they have light traffic and slight inclines. Practicing on a gentle slope helps you learn speed control and braking techniques. Another important factor is the condition of the surface. The ideal practice ground should be flat and smooth. Surfaces like smooth concrete or asphalt provide a stable riding experience and reduce the risk of falling due to unexpected bumps or cracks. Be mindful of the traffic around you. Avoid areas with heavy foot traffic or vehicle traffic. High traffic increases the likelihood of accidents with pedestrians or cars, which can be dangerous, especially for beginners. Choosing the right place to practice your electric skateboard is crucial. It helps you learn faster, enjoy your sessions more, and most importantly, keeps you safe. Remember, safety first, and enjoy your ride. Today, we covered a lot about choosing the right place for skate practice. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.